Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I'm a big fan of useful things looking beautiful. So I want to introduce you to the ElasignShopo Wood Weekly Pill Organizer because it is stunning. I try really hard to remember our morning vitamins for me and my husband. So having it on our dining table is crucial to doing that. It makes it so easy to remember when we're eating breakfast in the morning. But I didn't want something on our dining table that wasn't beautiful, that was out all the time. And I just love the look of the bamboo. It is so solid. The etched floral design is so pretty and intricate. I love all the letters that are engraved for Sunday through Saturday. You can see the lid attaches with little magnets and it is extremely sturdy. The thing I appreciate the most is how much room is in each opening for all of my pills and my vitamins. There is so much room in each little nook. And that lid is so sturdy. When it is on, it is not going to pop off. It is not going to mix your pills together. I also like how easy it is to just slide it over to the day that you need to, so you're not going to spill out all of the pills at once. It really has helped me to remember taking all my needed vitamins and fits perfectly with the rest of our kitchen design. This is useful and looks beautiful at the same time. And that's my point of view.